Welcome to Rancho Camulos Museum. We're inside the Museum Research Center, and this is the building that houses our research library. The building was originally built in 1920 out of adobe, and it served as the ranch manager's house and office. It fell apart after the 1994 earthquake, but through hard work we restored the building, and today we're here to dedicate our research library. Let's go take a look. We are so pleased to dedicate our research library to Marie Wren, the museum's first volunteer. Marie really helped make our library possible. She gave us a wonderful collection of Southern California history books, along with a handsome donation that allowed us to purchase furnishings, to restore the room, to paint it, shelves for the books, archival supplies for our wonderful collection of archives. Without Marie's help, we wouldn't be here today. And this is a gift that we'll keep on giving for a very long time. Let's take a look inside.
Right now. She was the teacher, so she...
One of the things that makes me happy is when I'm in here doing whatever research I'm supposed to be doing are the portraits that we have of a tiny one and a bigger one of Marie Wren. These were done by artists who come every year to our annual Artist Day, and nothing makes me happier than to see Marie in her cook's outfit, just as she always did for any of our events here, just what she wore then. Anyway, that's the best. And here's the other little portrait that we have, both done by artists at Artist Day.
In addition to the vast collection of history books in our library, many of which are rare and out of print, we have an extensive collection of archives and materials related to the history of Camulos, some of which date back to the 1800s, and we have gathered them from various locations, including from the historic buildings on site here, the 1853 adobe, the 1867 winery, and the other historic ranch buildings. We have a collection that includes such things as labor records, blueprints, maps, newspapers, and extensive picture collection. It is just an awesome collection, and Marie's donation has enabled us to share this with the public, to share the history of Camulos with the public, and we are so appreciative of that.
To date, we have been able to catalog and safely archive several pieces that have either been found on the property or donated back to Rancho Camulos. It includes pieces like furniture, tools, personal items, textiles, and religious items. And many thanks to Marie Wren, whose initial contribution to the research library allowed for all this to happen.
Over the past several years, history students and scholars from institutions like Yale, UC Berkeley, LMU, Cal State, and even international researchers affiliated with the Getty Museum have come here to Rancho Camulos and its History Center to view Rancho Camulos Museum's buildings and archives and artifacts. In fact, several items from the collection are on display right now at the Smithsonian Institution's Museum of American History. And all of this is possible only because of volunteers like Marie Wren and all those who come after her.
I'm glad you had an opportunity to visit with us at the Research Library at Rancho Camulos Museum today. If you'd like to join us as a volunteer, there are a lot of great opportunities here. You can help us with preservation and repair projects, work in the archives, the gardens, work as a school tour docent, or give adult-led tours. So many different opportunities. Just send us an email to info@ranchocamulos.org and we'll be in touch.